Basically, an expansion joint allows for movement, for a bit of expansion, as it says in the name. So as things expand and contract, the wall doesn't crack. The expansion joint it allows the area to have a bit of movement, which is why we're going to put them in. Okay, soldered all. At the end, if I like a nice big end, because we use quite a lot of this stuff, so none of these teeny little holes. Like, this is just the Ryobi sealant gun. Not perhaps a well-known heavy-duty brand, but actually I find for certain products they're brilliant. And then follow the line, the expansion bead there, and just line it up roughly. And now, because this brickwork's a bit wobbly, I can already tell it's not gripped in certain parts. So put a bit more. Fantastic.